Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. We face many problems while installing the printer. One such problem occurs when installing a Canon LBP 6030 printer. This problem occurs at the end of the installation. Look like this. Cannot organize the USB connection. Let's how can solve it. We will go start and control panel, printer and device. There are no printer here, so we will go add printer. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click at the local printer or network printer. Last one, we will click use an existing port and select USB. Click and next. Here you see Canon and you will see driver. Just select and next. Next again. The job is done. So we will print a test page. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.